In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Minneapolis. If you need to take care of a traffic ticket quickly and conveniently, the Minnesota Court Web Payment Portal makes the process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to find your case online and get to the payment stage using the official court website. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Minnesota Court Web Payment Portal. This is the official site used for online court payments in Minnesota, and it allows you to look up an active case using either a ticket or citation number or a court file number. Once your case is found, you can follow the prompts to pay using a Visa or MasterCard or directly from a checking or savings account. When the website loads, head to the main payment area and choose the option labeled Citation or Case. This tells the system that you want to search for your traffic ticket or court record before making a payment. Make sure you select the correct option so the search form opens properly. Next, enter your citation number in the appropriate field. This number should appear on your traffic ticket, so it's a good idea to have the ticket in front of you before starting. Be careful when typing, since even a small mistake can prevent your case from appearing in the results. After that, look for the case status section and select the appropriate status. This helps narrow your search and makes it easier for the portal to locate the correct record. If you're not sure which status applies, double check the information shown on your ticket or any court notice you may have received. You'll then need to enter the date filed. This is another search detail that helps the system identify your case more accurately. If the exact date is listed on your citation or related paperwork, enter it carefully in the required format. Once that's done, move to the Sort By option. Choose the sorting method shown in the portal so your search results are organized in a clear and useful way. This step may seem minor, but it can make the results easier to review if more than one record appears. Finally, click Search. The website will then look up your case using the information you entered. From there, you can review the active case details and continue through the payment prompts to complete your transaction securely online. Before you submit any payment, take a moment to verify that the case information matches your ticket exactly. That extra check can help you avoid paying the wrong citation, and that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Minneapolis.